Hello. Welcome to this guided meditation on recharging your body and mind while taking some time for yourself. Giving yourself some time to recover from the modern, busy world is very important. This kind of self-care can bring more clarity, focus, and peace into your life. To start, simply be aware of your body posture and, if it's possible, find the most comfortable position and allow your eyes to rest by keeping them open or closed. Feel how you're resting in the here and now, and opening to the infinite possibilities of the present by letting go of the thoughts that are appearing and disappearing. Letting go of the past and the future. Just being and welcoming whatever arises and dissolves in awareness. Now, focus on your breath. Notice it's rising and falling, moving through your body and rising and falling. There's nothing else to think about in this moment, but rising and falling, and noticing any sensations you may feel in your body without making stories or judgments about them, just letting them all go. And creating the space for yourself each time you breathe in and out. Reconnecting to yourself. Breathing in and out and connecting to the space close to you. Breathing in and out and connecting to the room you're in. Your home, street, community, city, county, country. Breathing in and out and connecting to other lands. Feeling the vast space. Feeling how your awareness grows. Connecting to the planet Earth. Expanding farther away. Take a few moments to breathe in this way while feeling the expansion of your awareness and interconnectedness with everything around you. At this moment, slowly bring your attention back to your body by going from your feet up to your head. If your eyes have been closed, open them when you're ready. We invite you to bring these feelings of spaciousness, clarity, and peace into your day.